What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Timster. Today we're showing you how to play Black Ops Call of Duty Zombies on your Quest 2. Of course, you got to own the game Contractors. And when in the Contractors menu, what you're going to do is that you're going to get into it, hit the mod selection at the top right. You got to ensure that the mods are on. Also, there should be a green light around there enabling mods. And now you don't need a PC for any of this. It comes in-house in-game. So if you don't have the game, I recommend you get it. There's tons of fun stuff on here. Under the mods, you can search. Now, there's a few ways to search. First way we're going to search is the COD Z. So you put COD, C-O-D, like Call of Duty, and then you can put Z, and it kind of gives you some of the base test maps that they used prior before actually putting in some legitimate maps now that are pretty much my favorite. So you're going to type that in. You can see me right here typing it in. Then that test map comes out at that left front. All you have to do when you want a map, you're going to hit that green subscribe that you can see down there. Now I'll show you more of a real life example. And now the next way to search for something also, if you don't find anything on COD Z, is to search the word zombies. Now you'll get it the World at War zombies, and you're also going to get the Gulag zombies. And those are pretty fun. So right there, you can see me hit that subscribe. And basically, subscribe doesn't mean you're paying or anything. It just basically means activate the mod. For some odd reason, it says subscribe because you're subscribing to the mod that actually created it. So you're just showing them some love, kind of like similar how you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Ding, ding. And then next you're going to have to do is that you could actually try to search them all manually yourself. Now, there's tons of mods. This is not just a Call of Duty one, but for now, for this video, it is. But there's other stuff that you'll be interested in. Trust me, in terms of themes and FPS and stuff. So COD Z, then hit subscribe with the green. Or you can go with zombies and then just hit, just find whatever you find with COD Zombies. Now, these zombies games are really fun. Prior, there was just only like a testing map, which didn't really necessarily look like a map. It had all the features of zombies, but now they actually have these maps, which is totally cool. And Contractors needs a lot more love for that. Next, when you downloaded them, subscribe them, they usually go by fairly quickly if you have respectable internet. You can go to single player, hit free roam, and under the free roam segment, you can just go and you go all the way down and you're able to choose some of the maps that you already downloaded. Now, there's another way to also do it if you don't want to do single player free roam. There's actually 3 ways to do it. This is the second way. You can choose to create your own multiplayer game and get in there and just choose a map. Third way would be to just join an existing lobby already, but that's not really a lot of help for this tutorial. So the two most helpful ways to do it is either single free roam or multiplayer and just create your own game. And now that you can see me right here on the World at War zombies. It's pretty fun. This is just me just kind of utilizing the free roam. You are by yourself. If you create a game, you have the chance for people to join the zombies game. And guys, I love this so much. It is such a fun feature that Contractors has. Like what I said prior, they did not have this much of a design of a map. So when I saw that this design was actually really cool and all the pack-a-punches and everything, I was like, man, it's legit. Now, it's not 100% accurate, but man, I would say it's at least 90% there, on top of like some couple of just little minor issues, like as far as like calibration and just figuring out the janky like reloading segments at times, and just figuring out everything where everything's at in VR. It is really weird. So you see me right here, I'm kind of just utilizing some aim just to see if everything's kind of a little bit smooth in terms of that correlation, and everything looks great. This was me right before buying some time to pack a punch and showing y'all kind of just some angles of that zombie. Now you can see the dogs. The dog segment is actually super fresh also. I think that this is awesome, the fact that they actually have a dog segment. I mean, come on. Just to be adding this, like all of this in-house, in-game. People pay for Black Ops already, still to this day, at a much higher price. So Contractors being at like 20 bucks to play it in virtual reality, a little bit more immersive, a little bit more fun. Now, it is limited because these are mods, but it's more or less the same exact thing. All the sound effects are the same. The music's the same. The people are the same. The characters that you recognize, the max ammo is the dogs. Just a lot more of the perks. I did the pack-a-punch already. There's Juggernaut and the other maps. This map is a lot smaller than the Gulag, so they don't have a pack-a-punch. It's only mystery box, double tap, and pack-a-punch in this one. But Juggernaut is in the other maps, and you can find that. There's turning on electricity. All the stuff that we're familiar with in zombies, it's all in there. So here you see me kind of playing. I'm going to hit this mystery box right now, and you're going to see something pretty cool.
Oh, yeah, the thunder gun. Go, baby. Oh, beautiful.
Just kind of some of the gameplay that I wanted to show y'all more. Now, there is some smaller ripes in terms of like what I said. Like, all the familiarity is good. The zombies are just as flashy. They're fast. They do get faster and faster. This was my favorite map, to be honest, because I like maps that just get straight to the point. And so this map did amazing for that. Yours might be a different one. It just depends. Y'all gotta let me know what, if you have done this, like what's your favorite map. But this is just an easy way for you to play COD Zombies and to just show y'all some examples. And I would appreciate it if you leave a thumbs up and a like. I'm gonna leave some gameplay, but I'm actually gonna make a full video of gameplay of me utilizing some of the better guns like the ray gun, the thunder gun, packed, and just going on and just kind of showing y'all just kind of how in depth it is. And maybe I'll talk about some more of it later. But this is just it. Like what I said, go to mods, go to the maps, and you can find out everything, man. And I appreciate y'all so much. I'll extend some of this gameplay right now for the video, but leave a thumbs up and subscribe. It really does help push this channel, as we are trying to push standalone virtual reality a lot more. Now we will do some PC VR every now and then, but your support's always appreciated, man. Y'all have a good one. Peace.
Box. Let's see what we get. Handgun. Oh, they're everywhere. Awesome. Oh. Oh. Are you holding the gun like that? No!